Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making sure you have what matters: a working internet connection and your Google account credentials. Open your updated browser and clear any active private windows. Once done, type YouTube. Come into the address bar and press Enter. This requests the site from the network. If the home page loads, scan the top right corner for the sign and button. If you see it, click to proceed. You're ready for the next step of authentication and account access. You now sign in, enter your Google email and password precisely. If you have two-step verification, prepare the second factor, code, prompt, or backup key and approve quickly. Make sure cookies are allowed so the site remembers your session. If a security alert appears, read it and confirm it's you. Once authenticated, YouTube links your account and preferences. If you plan to upload or manage a channel, open Account Settings to review privacy and notifications before continuing. You're almost done. Navigate using Search, Home, or Subscriptions to get content. If pages fail to load or show errors, first reload, then disable ad blockers or privacy extensions that interfere with scripts. If still blocked, restart your router and try a different browser. This isolates DNS or caching problems. As a last resort, sign out and back in or use another device to confirm account health. If nothing works, check network.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.